Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Yeezy 350 Yeezy 380 unboxing, and it's one I'm pretty excited for. So this is the Yeezy 380 in the Calcite Glow colorway, and in my opinion it's arguably the best 380 ever to release. So I do have the original 380 aliens up here, and these ones are kind of similar, but they do have something special about them. But before I get into this video, I'd like to give a big shout out to Legitmark, who are sponsoring this video. Legitmark is the standard for sneaker authentication and is the safest and most secure place to get your sneakers authenticated. So there is a link in the description if you would like to give them a try. So here is the classic Yeezy 380 box, and these were purchased directly from Adidas, and it was a last minute decision. I was thinking about giving them a miss, but then I saw a picture of them glowing and I decided last minute to enter the raffle with maybe about 20 minutes to go. Managed to win them, and I would like to firstly apologize for wearing this big fleece which I've been wearing in my recent videos, and that's because it's freezing here in the UK, but there's nothing really I can do about that. But here is the classic Yeezy 380 box. It does have the code CalGlow, 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 and the color code is GZ8668. And I got these in a size UK 9.5. I normally get a Yeezy 350 V2 in a UK 9 and take the insole out, but on these I don't take the insole out, so I decided to get a 9.5. So normally go half a size up from your true to size if you are going to purchase. But you've seen a lot about the Yeezy 380 and 350 boxes, so there's pretty much nothing more new to them. So we'll open up and take a look at the shoes. So it comes wrapped in the classic Yeezy paper. And here is your first look at the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow. These are spectacular. So we'll take out both shoes. And it does come with a spare set of normal laces as well, but they have the infinity ones attached to the shoe. So here is the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow, and it's practically just a full white 380, and that is what makes it so much better. Full white just looks amazing, and it actually, in my opinion, in certain lightings, and especially the studio lighting, gives off that minty color, and that is because these do actually glow in the dark. So interwoven into the prime knit is a glow in the dark prime knit material, so it gives off that kind of minty vibe, and as well as the sole gives off that color as well. So I will get out the 380 Alien, and you can see a comparison between the two right there. So they are pretty close indeed. However, you can obviously see that the Alien has that print on the sole and is a darker prime knit on the top, and also doesn't glow in the dark. So it's a way up between these two of which one I think is better. These are definitely the two best colorways of the 380 to come out to date, but I think this one actually might take the lead. So have that new infinity lacing going along the top, and the laces match the color of the prime knit, so they are pretty much invisible and pretty much useless. You don't really need them at all, because this shoe does kind of fit like a sock, so you just slide it on, don't need to tie the laces or anything, and it fits perfectly if you get the right size. So on the outer and inner side of the shoe, we do have this transparent plastic like mesh material which has holes all over it, which the holes don't really do much for me. They aren't actually that nice to look at in my opinion, but the see-through transparent material on either side is really, really nice, and if you're wearing some colourful socks on this white sneaker, they're going to shine through very, very vividly. Then on the bottom we have the classic 380 sole, which curves up at the back, which actually makes it really, really comfortable to walk in. In a way, it makes you want to walk faster and run, because your foot is constantly rolling, so it just propels you forward. I know it sounds weird, but it definitely does. So compared to the 350 V2, the toe box is much more round, And this is so good because on the 350 V2, well, personally I found that it does squish your toes quite a bit, but there is a little bit more room on the 380. So in my opinion, these are much comfier than that of the 350 V2. And that is also down to the size of the sole. On this, around the heel area, you can see there is far more boost in here than on a 350 V2, which just gives it that cushioned feel whenever you're walking. I think it's probably the most comfy Yeezy model to date. So on the upper, it does actually have the same pattern as on the Alien. However, the prime knit materials are so close in color that you can't actually see the difference unless you see them up close. So I will try and give you a detailed image here. In terms of the tread on the bottom, it does once again match the color of the sole, so there is no difference here, and it actually gives it that whole one piece kind of look to the shoe, it all being one color, all just blends really nicely, and these actually look really good on foot. So now we're going to get to the bit that you've probably all been waiting for, and I did do a teaser on my Instagram with this photo right here, because these shoes glow so bright and it's crazy. The whole upper glows as well as the sole, and I'm gonna try and show you. These have been under studio lighting for quite a while, so I hope they do show clearly, but we'll give it a shot and see what you think. So as you can see, both shoes glow incredibly well. In this lighting, you can see that the whole upper glows as well. The upper glow doesn't last as long as the sole glow. The sole glow lasts for about 30 minutes, whereas the upper glows for about 10 minutes if you have it under lighting for a long time. Not sure if it's showing up correctly, but you can see that it glows, and I will give you a photo of this as well. Wow, my eyes are adjusting to the light now. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope it has shown you just how much I like these shoes, because in my opinion they are the best 380 ever to come out. But if you could please leave a like, subscribe, do all that, that's really helped my channel grow. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.